Describe something that was broken in your home and then repaired. There are situations in life when things are broken by you. Sometimes you replace them by purchasing new things, and most of the times you prefer to repair them if possible. We have a showpiece of a lady welcoming guests at our entrance of our home. It's a beautiful artifact made up of different colors and framed in an expensive glass frame. It is very important because it is a gift from the best friend of my mother. One day, my younger brother and I were playing with a ball inside our house. Yes, I know we should not do it, but it was just a bad day for us. Unexpectedly, the ball hit the artifact of the lady and it fell down. We got scared and thought that if our mother comes to know about it, then she will be very angry. My brother and I thought to get it repaired, so we just opened our piggy banks and counted the money and went to one of the vendors who repaired this kind of photos and frames. We were extremely worried when the vendor said that it will take a week to repair the article. We let him understand the situation and tried to convince him to get the job done as soon as possible. He agreed and we restored the artifact back to its place before the arrival of our mother. On the evening of that day, when we were having our dinner together, we told the incident to our parents and they appreciated the work. So I feel all's well that ends well.